I'm sure you've heard the news, backup cameras can be finicky. Let's dive into why your Ford F150's camera might be acting up. First off, let's check the basics. Ensure your camera lens isn't dirty or obstructed. Sometimes a quick wipe can do wonders. Next, let's talk about wiring. Loose or damaged wires are common culprits. Pop open the tailgate and inspect for any visible issues. Still no luck? Try resetting your system. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, wait a few minutes, then reconnect it. This simple reboot can solve many tech glitches. If the camera still isn't cooperating, it could be a software issue. Make sure your F150 software is up to date. Check your owner's manual or visit Ford's website for the latest updates. Lastly, if you've tried all these steps and the camera is still out of commission, it might be time to consult a professional. There could be a deeper issue that requires expert attention. So let's recap. Clean the lens, check the wiring, reset the system, update the software, and if all else fails, get professional help. Simple steps to get your backup camera back in action. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Catch you next time.